BNG Nation, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today, as you can tell by the title, we are here to do a wig review, and this company did send me this wig to review for you guys. So before we open up the bag, I do want to just introduce my channel to all you newcomers. If you are new, consider subscribing. I post every week on Friday at 12 p.m. and if you are returning, hey BNG Nation, how you guys doing? Comment down below, let me know you are here. So with that being said, all the boring intro stuff, let's go ahead and talk about this wig. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the title because it is very descriptive. If y'all have ever gone through like Wish or something like that, it's nothing short from one of their titles. But this is an Amazon wig, so you can find this wig on Amazon. So this is, I'm gonna just say the title exactly how it's written. This is MsSunlight lace front wigs, human hair, glueless lace front wigs, human hair, pre-plucked 9A grade straight Brazilian wigs for black women, 150% density, natural color, 16-inch. Okay, yeah, everything that you can possibly search on Amazon is in this title. Okay, this wig is $129.38 to get the 16-inch wig, which that is what I will be unboxing today. The brand name is MsSunlight. Item type is lace front wig. The item type is a lace front human hair wig. Hair texture is straight human hair lace wig. Hair grade is 9A Remy Brazilian human hair. Hair color is natural color, can be dyed and bleached, and lace color is glueless medium brown lace. Okay, hair quality is unprocessed Brazilian virgin human hair wig. It's 150 density. Hairstyle is a lace front human hair wig. It is pre-plucked bleach knots and baby hairs all around the wig. It can be dyed and bleached once again. The lace cap is 22.5 inches and has adjustable straps, 4 combs. Ooh, they have 4 combs, not 3. So it should match the hair. So it should match the head perfectly. And that is it. So yeah. All right. So that is all for that. So let's go ahead and unbox this wig. Okay, so this packaging is a lot different than some of the wigs I normally am given to review, so that is definitely very exciting. So they have their own packaging, and it definitely sets them apart from other brands on Amazon, so that is awesome. So it has like a little zipper to open the wig up. That's different. That's different, a lot different than a lot of the places. Okay, so I see 2 things in here. Okay, so the first thing I have here is a wig cap. I'm super glad that they have this wig cap here because one of the recent unboxings is not on my channel yet, but one of my recent unboxings didn't have a wig cap, and it was kind of sucky because I didn't have any wig caps on deck with me. So I'm really glad they include this because if you're a first time wig wearer, you will need one of these. The next thing is, it looks like a little band, either to lay down your baby hairs, or you could probably wear it like a little scarf type thing. This is definitely different, guys. Like, we normally would receive either eyelashes. One other company that had something a little bit different was like an actual hair clip, but most of the time it'll be like eyelashes. So this is definitely very unique and very useful, because if I'm doing my baby hairs, I would definitely, and it's satin, so this is perfect to lay down your baby hairs when you're putting baby hairs on. Just put them down. I normally have a scarf to put mine down, and it's also satin, but if you don't have a scarf that's satin, this, girl, you swoop your baby hairs, you put this on, you leave it on there for a couple minutes while you're doing your makeup, and take it off, girl. Your baby hairs are going to be laid, and just like they said in the description, this wig does come with baby hairs, so you're going to be laying those baby hairs down. Great add-on, guys. Alright, and then we have the 16-inch wig. Super excited about that. Of course, that's what we bought. Hold on. Okay, so now we're going to open her up. Yeah, she definitely has some baby hairs. I see them. Okay. So she got what is that? Tissue paper and foam in there to keep the shape of the wig. Definitely medium brown lace. So far the description is very correct. The lace is a little bit scratchy to me. Like, it's not Swiss lace for sure. Like, it feels a little bit scratchy. But definitely I can work with that. Super soft. Little curve to her. Very cute. Got a little tag on here. So yeah, she's very soft. Not getting any shedding. Okay, I got one piece right there. One piece of shedding. This is the front. Again, baby hairs are so present on this wig. Alright. The inside construction. 3 combs in the front. So 1, 2, 3. 1 comb in the back. Adjustable straps. And about, I'd say, 2 inches of parting space, which is great. Alright. And she does look like 16 inches of hair, which is great. So far, everything's great. Besides, I'm not too fond of the lace itself. If you're used to like Swiss lace, it doesn't feel like that. It feels a little bit more rough. But since we're going to be cutting off a lot of the lace, it should be okay. So we'll see how I feel whenever I actually put it on, when I come back to close this video out. So let's go ahead and get into the actual installment. I'm just going to fast forward this part. So if you need a video of how I install my wigs, definitely comment down below. I will try to do a more detailed install, because I don't think I have one of those on my channel yet. So just ask me. Alright, so let's go ahead and go. Okay guys, so this is everything after it's installed, and oh my goodness, it's so nice. I just went on ahead and straightened her, went ahead and laid those baby hairs down. It just instantly made me look very dressed up, put together, like I'm about to go somewhere. I don't know where, but somewhere. Yeah, she looks so pretty guys. Like, look at this. After you straighten her out, so luxury, feels amazing. And now that I actually tried it on, the lace is not that bad, but it's not Swiss lace. I just want to say it's not Swiss lace. It's not like super soft like Swiss lace, but it's actually not terrible. Like, it's just, it got structure. I like to say it like that. It has structure, but nothing that I would dock at any points. Like, it's very nice, very luxury. Let me try to look from it at the side. Yes, girl. Super cute. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. If y'all liked it, leave it a thumbs up. Comment down below any questions. I'm pretty sure the company is going to see this, so if you have any questions for them, or if I can answer it, I'll try to answer it too. Leave it down in the comments down below. I will leave the link to this wig down below as well in the description, so check that out if you're interested in this wig, girl, because she is cute. Okay, she is cute. Alright, and then after that, that's it. I'll see y'all guys in my next video. I hope that y'all like it. Don't forget to go follow me on my Instagram. Now I have to promote my Instagram because I'm actually being more active on my Instagram now, so go check me out, go follow me. I do post a lot more on there now, so boom. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And pictures with this wig, like more full-on pictures with this wig, will be on my Instagram, so definitely, again, go check that out. And that's it, so boom. Okay, all right, so I'll see y'all guys in my next video. Bye.